Vacation. Beautiful sights, beautiful sounds, beautiful homes. If there's one thing that we all do while we're on vacation, it's dream. How great would it be to own a vacation home in one of the most beautiful places on Earth? Maybe you could just have a look at some real estate prices. Couldn't hurt, right? Actually, it could. In the top 5 travel destinations in the U.S., the average home price is nearly $500,000 plus expenses. You could spend that money today on a new vacation home. It's what you want, right? But what if instead of buying that home, you invested that money? $500,000 earning a hypothetical 6% rate of return over 20 years could grow to more than $1.6 million. Now, 20 years later, would you rather have a vacation home that may or may not have appreciated in value, or $1.6 million? Call us today and we can talk about which choice is right for you, right now and in the future.